Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful paper quilling Goddess Saraswati Idol. I will show you each and every part in detail, how to make the complete figure, how to make this beautiful doll along with the veena, the lotus base, everything. So cute, isn't it? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. I'm starting with making the Saraswati's face. For this I'm taking 3 strips of peach color in 3 mm and making one big tight coil dome. Just filling this dome using glue to make it sturdy. In the same way, I have prepared one more dome using 3 strips of black color in 3 mm. So just joining both the domes together and the face is ready. Now to create neck, I am taking 1/4 strip of peach color in 3 mm and just making one ring like this. Then to create the body, here I have prepared these 2 domes. Both are made using 4/4 strips. This is having 2 cm height and this is made using 5 mm strips, and the other one is made using 3 mm strip. This is simple dome. Now I'm just joining both the shapes together and the upper body is ready. Now I'm connecting the neck on this. Then here I have prepared one more dome which is having 1.5 cm height and this is made using 4 strips of 5 mm in white color. So just stuck my upper part onto this and then I am adding the face. Allow it to dry completely. Then to start with hands, I am taking 1 strip of red color in 5 mm and making one cone shape. Just checking with other hand. And to create the bottom one, I have prepared this tight coil using 1 strip of peach color in 3 mm. So making one more cone. Add glue inside both the cones. And to close this from back side, I have already prepared one dome using 1 strip of peach color. So just joining both the parts together and then I am sticking this with the red cone. So the hands are ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now to create legs, I have already prepared 2 cones. This is made using 1 strip of white color in 5 mm and the height of this cone is 4 centimeters, and the other cone is made using 1.5 strip of white color in 5 mm and the height is 2.5 centimeters. So just joining both the cones together for the leg. Since the pose of the legs are like the folded one, so we have to join like this, and to connect it nicely I'm just making one small slit into this. We just need to cut one corner in V shape and then sticking both the shapes together. It will grab the other shape nicely and it will stick quickly. Similarly prepared other one. So taking back the previous shape and sticking both the legs like this. Then it's time to color the upper part for the blouse. So I'm taking red color acrylic and coloring only the half portion. Since we have created the sleeves of hands using red strips, so we need to color the upper part as well. And this is done. Now it's time to attach the hands. To connect the hands, I'm using strong adhesive. You can also use any kind of glue. And I'm just taking the position here using my pencil where I will attach the veena. So according to that, you have to put the hands. And similarly, the other hand will go a little upward, and I have stuck it nicely. Now it's time to attach the sari dupatta. So from back side, I'm adding white color strip coming from front part and sticking the remaining part on back. Similarly, I will add 3 to 4 small pieces of strips to make the sari pallu. And then for the front part of the sari, here I have just attached some 5mm white strips and colored the bottom part for the border using yellow and red color markers. So I'm just sticking it exactly in the front. Now to create hairs, I'm taking 1/8 strip of black color in 3mm and just curling the hairs like this. We just need to rotate the strip. So we'll have the curly hair, and then just sticking it with the back side of the head. So I have already attached lots of hairs with the same procedure, and now I'm attaching the last one. So in short, we have to cover the complete back black portion using these hairs. Very pretty, isn't it? So cover this whole area with the same process. And now also I have added some ornaments using diamond chains and some stones, some ball chains as a bangles, necklace, and also attach the ears, which are made using 1/4 strip of 2mm in peach color. These are simple teardrop shapes, and added 2 hands on back side, which are made using simply the same method like the front one. And to create palm, I have created these teardrop shapes, which are made using 1 strip of peach color in 3mm. I will attach it with the front hands later after attaching the veena. So till that portion, I think everything is cleared. Now I'll start with making the crown. So here I already prepared the crown. This is simple cone shape, which is made using 3.5 strips of golden color in 3mm. And created this ring by joining 3 strips around this bottle cap. And for this also I have used golden color strip. So just join both the parts together and decorated the crown with some ball chains, stones and diamond chain. Now it's time to attach the mukut or crown like this on the forehead portion. So cute. Now it's getting the nice shape. Now I'm adding 2 small black color circles for eyes, 1 red color triangular for the lips. Similarly, I have added triangular shape for nose and adding red bindi to complete the look. Like this. Very pretty. Then it's time to make the lotus. So I have these 2 templates. One is having 3 cm height and another one is having 2.5 cm height. I have just created these templates and I am tracing the petals on white color paper. You can use any paper. Here I am using drawing sheet, which is having I think 140 GSM thickness. And now I am cutting both the petals. Then doing little shading work using pink acrylic color from the bottom on both the petals. Allow it to dry, then spraying little water on both the petals to make it moist. Soak the water nicely and then dab the excess water using tissue paper. And then it's time to shape these petals. So just you have to curve your petals around any pen and make the creases using your fingers. Do it very carefully. Similarly, I am repeating the process with the smaller petal. And now I am just opening the petals slowly, and can you see how beautiful the natural pattern has come on the petals. And with the similar method I have prepared lots of big size petals and small size petals. Now I am taking here 7 cm diameter circle. This is simple newspaper tight coil on which I have attached white color cardstock and colored the border of this using green acrylic. Now it's time to connect the petals. So in the bottom I am attaching these big size petals. Like this, and now between each petal I am adding small size petals. Can you see how gorgeous the lotus shape is looking? So I'm just completing the row, and now I'm just coloring the center part using pink acrylic color, and the lotus is completely ready. It's looking very gorgeous. Now here I have prepared this dome which is made using 6 strips of pink color in 5 mm, and on the top I have just attached one pink cardstock. So I'll stick this dome exactly in the center of the lotus on which the Saraswati goddess will sit. And then attaching the doll on this. And after drying it will look like this, very pretty. Now it's time to make the veena. I'm just loving the outcome till this point. Now to start with veena, here I'm taking pink color 5 mm strips and I'm joining total 7 strips together and making one big dome. I have prepared one more tight coil using 2 strips of pink color in 5 mm. Now I am shaping both the tight coils. Add glue. Then sticking the bigger tight coil with the cardboard or the mound board piece, and then I am cutting one strip along with the previous shape like this. Then I am just twisting the back portion using my tweezer to give it nice Veena look, and then coloring this complete base using brown acrylic. Now in the center I am adding one black color strip, also adding one small black strip in the front. Then attaching the small dome on the back side. And then here I have added these white color strips to create the strings, and also added these 4 knobs on one side, and the Veena is ready. Very easy. Now I am attaching the Veena with the hands of the goddess like this. Also I have attached both the palms, and it's completely dried and ready, and she's looking very pretty. Also attached one white color pustak in one hand and one ball chain in maroon color on other hand, like a mala or jap mala. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.